checking. Exciting stuff happening. Photographer. Yoga expert. Makeup expert. So. It's good. What's up? Photographer. Yay! For me, after 10 years of working in this as a stylist, it's still amazing how much effort and work goes into one of those shootings. I mean, you can see how much stuff we're carrying to that tiny, tiny jet. I don't know if you guys can hear me. We're at the set for Gesund und Fit.
Gesund und Fit.
Gesund und Fit, and for Madonna, we're shooting right now at the airport of Vienna with the wonderful model in the background. And well, it looks like fun. There's the wonderful pilot over there. Alright guys, this is it. As soon as you're shooting on location, you have to work with what the environment or the location itself is giving you. For example, the makeup artist can only work outside. There is no light or room there. My stuff is mostly shoved into the end of the plane in that little corner. You probably can see it. And even though the plane is tiny, you make it work. And also, I would still kill to fly with one of those. What you can see here is me taping the shoe, so the sole stays intact because they're from a shoe store. Sometimes in Vienna you don't have the opportunity to get everything from a showroom. I never use needles to make clothes fit better on the model. I almost always use tape because I never risk damaging the clothes. love those moments when you stand there and wonder that, of course, the model needs to do her yoga poses on the wing of the plane, because what else makes sense? But to be honest, it just looks better that way. And you just go with the flow.